So, in this tutorial, we are going to walk through how to use this new ComfyUI custom node to train Lora easily. Now, it is in the GitHub page, and they have a lot of descriptions about how it works, what kind of models it can train, etc. And right here, they have shown it's really simple. You can just use one custom node from this GitHub project, and it is able to train Lora. They have also provided another custom node to create image captions for image preparation. So these are the essential steps. First, we are going to install this one, the Lora Training ComfyUI custom nodes. Now, as you can see, there are a few things in this package that are going to be installed. After installation, you need to click Restart and wait for the ComfyUI to restart. Then you'll have a fresh workflow diagram here. Now right-click on the right-click menu. You'll see this label in the right-click menu, and then you select the Loras. Now, you will see the Lora submenu. They have the load training in ComfyUI, Lora training in ComfyUI, and also the other one that is below those items. There's an advanced mode of this Lora training ComfyUI custom nodes. Now, it's up to you whether you want to use the simple one or the advanced one. Of course, the advanced one has lots of options that you can explore. And the last one is the tensor board. Actually, you don't need that one to be on the workflow diagrams. All you need is this one. Custom nodes are able to do that. So before that, we have to install this image captioning in ComfyUI. This is also provided by the same author of the Lora training custom nodes. And what you need to do is copy this name, and we go back to, actually, there's a very simple basic workflow for image captioning using this one, but they don't provide the JSON files. So what I'm going to do is I will duplicate this workflow in ComfyUI in these videos, and I will create all these 4 custom nodes that are used for generating captions for a list of images that I prepared for creating Lora models. Now, here I have the other 2 components that you have to install. So first, go to the ComfyUI manager. Paste this name, the caption in ComfyUI, and install this image captioning in ComfyUI custom notes. Now, after that, I will also install the other one, that is the WD 1.4. Now, this is a model that enables image processing as text prompt. As you can see, they have a demo page as well on their GitHub page. From the GitHub page, they're showing the Hugging Face demo. You can play around with that, but let's install this straight away. After we've got both of those, we can restart our ComfyUI right here. So as you can see, there are 2 custom node packages already installed in the command line. And right here, I will be going to the second setup step, which is coming to the WD 1.4 folders and typing the command prompt CMD on the toolbar. It will pop up the toolbar that is locating this folder in these custom notes, and you copy that command prompt from their GitHub page to install the required dependencies components for these custom nodes. Now after that, we will be able to use this custom node, the WD 1.4, and have these model files for generating image-to-text prom, which is workable for this workflow. So once you have this, right-click or click the menu search menu, and you can type this word WD 1.4, and you can select this custom node as well. The other thing you have to do is the Lora captioning custom nodes. And the first thing we've got to do is load captions. Custom notes. So Lora captions loader. So we have to use this caption loader to load folders of images that we have prepared. The second step we have to do is show text. And finally, we have show text and save those text strength lists in our destinations folder. So we connect the path connections here. And then the WD 1.4 connects each other from the image text to the Lora caption save custom notes. And we don't need the CR text to strength duplicating in there. So one is enough. This is the same workflow that we can do as what they have mentioned in the official GitHub page of this project. So there you go. We have 4 custom nodes only, and it allows us to create batch image captioning for these LoRa preparation steps. So what we have right now is that while we are waiting, there will be taking some time to do all the loading on each image caption and then save those captions individually for each image file. It will generate another text file that is for the image. For example, if I have 15 images that are going to be prepared for training LoRa, there will be another 15 text files that are correlated to those images. And what happens is that in each of these text files, it will have text prompts like this one. So it's good that they have also shown this text prompt here. So go to the File Explorer here, and you can see there are also the text prompts. Save that into the text files for each image. And in the command prompt window, as you can see, it's also showing all those text prompt generation progress as well, and save that into individual text files in the LoRa training subfolder that I created. So let me create this group as well so it's clear for us to know which function that is. These 4 custom nodes are used for image captioning, and then the second step we are going to do is use the LoRa training in ComfyUI custom nodes. Now, I'm going to use this simple one for demo purposes. You can use the advanced one for your training. First, you need to select your desired models for training LoRa here. I have tried the SD 1.5 Realistic Vision 6, and right here, I will copy this folder path and paste it exactly the same here so that the LoRa training process is accurate. For the output name, you have to type your own name here. For example, I'm doing a fashion LoRa here, so I type the name, and it will save the LoRa files in the models LoRa subfolder in your ComfyUI. After training, this is the result. You will see the LoRa files saved in the models LoRa subfolder. This custom node is really handy for us to play around with if you want to train LoRa in an easy way. There you have it. This is like a life-saving, time-saving method compared to the previous methods. This is the advantage of using ComfyUI. So give it a try, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.